How does that feel, Del?
Yeah, it's such a smooth movement, and I'm going to keep going on about this because there's no lateral movement. You can really focus in. Easy now, guys. Your boys are back. In fact, we was missing last week, and that's partly me to blame because your boy was out there in Turkey bronzing up a little bit. Was well overdue a holiday. Anyway, locked into Thomas Twins TV, your host Del alongside twin brother Trev, coming at you with a brilliant tutorial. Trev's going to explain.
Yeah, just trying to shake off some rust because it's been a week or so since we were under the lens. Yeah. We're talking all things Smith machine. If you don't know what the Smith machine is, we're going to show you. And we're going to show you a variety of exercises that you can do on that bad boy to hit major muscle groups in the body.
That's it. See you on the other side, guys. Right, by the Smith machine, guys. Preloaded bar. Going to go in with some squats. So good compound movement here. Get the quads, get the glutes activated.
Just sneaking myself on camera, man.
Yep. Get mobile, Trev.
Okay, this is your textbook back squat, demonstrated by PT Del. One more. Okay.
And you can see the good thing about the Smith machine is these little hooks. If you want to come around a little bit, Trev, I don't know if these guys saw that. This is one of the major differences between this and just a traditional power rack, is you've got this just hooking it back on. It's on a frame, no lateral movements, etc. So it's good for people who are just starting off as well on things like squats and straight leg deadlifts and deadlifts and stuff like that.
Cool. I'm going to jump around the other side.
Yep. We're going to toggle between me and Trev demonstrating these exercises for you on this machine.
Okay, yo, one of my personal favorites. If you know me, I like to push some weights on the chest. We can do that using the bench, and we can do it hitting an incline. Okay. Yeah, it feels good using a Smith machine to hit incline chest. You can also do flat bench as well to target the middle and lower part of the chest just by adapting the bench. So yeah, you can hit chest on the Smith machine. What you got from Del?
Yeah, I'm going to stay with the theme of legs. Let's get some straight leg deadlifts going on here. Grab us a block. Just using this block here, guys, just to elevate myself a little bit higher up so I get good range of motion on this. Once we're set up, then we can go. Right, I think we're good.
So guys, this is hamstrings, using the Smith machine, targeting those hammies at the back of the leg. How does that feel, Del?
Yeah, it's such a smooth movement, and I'm going to keep going on about this because there's no lateral movement. You can really focus in, home in on technique. You haven't got to balance anything too much. It's just a case of up and down movement on this and just really activate the muscle. In this case, it was hamstrings.
Yeah. I'm going to creep back up to the upper body again.
What you got for us,
And
Trev?
I'm going to go shoulders. We can use a bench, but we don't have to use a bench. I'm going to come in with something a little bit different. I'm going to be down here. Don't see many people do these ones.
Let's get in there, let's get in there. Oh yeah, good.
Again, it keeps the technique really, really strict. If you want to use a bench, you can park a bench underneath and sit there on top of the bench. That will also help work the anterior part of the shoulders, anterior delts, baby.
Yeah.
Where to now, Del?
We're going to go to back.
Okay.
We're going to go with some bent over rows here. So lats are involved here. Over the bar nicely. And one more.
So the overhand grip you got there, Del?
Yeah. You can do an overhand grip, you can do an under grip. If you're doing an under grip with this bent over row movement, you're engaging a little bit more biceps. Sometimes I toggle between both under and over grip. And obviously if you want a little bit more height, then you bring the block in, you stand on the block and you do the same thing. Yeah. Where are we going after this, Trev?
I'm going to go triceps. So for those people out there that don't know, you can actually work your triceps when you bench. Chest being the main muscle, tricep being the secondary muscle. But if you bring your hands in close, we're then working more triceps. Okay. So close grip bench. I want to swing that around over here, Del.
Yeah, I've got it, mate. I've got it. I'll show them. Nice and close, around about thumb distance apart with the grip on the bar. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good exercise to hit the triceps. Also, indirectly hitting a little bit of chest as well.
I'm coming back to lower body here. Going to work some calves. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Also, just on a health and safety feature, this here is quite key. This stops the bar from dropping too low. You just lock it in here. The Smith machine allows us to get extra weight when we're doing these reps. Just make sure you get the plate in the right position, guys. Once it's there, set, then we're good to go. We're good now.
Who knew you could do so much on the Smith machine, eh?
All the way down, all the way up, a little squeeze at the top, really activate the calf muscles here, and they will start burning. And obviously you can load up more and more weight on the bar, more and more resistance.
Okay. I'm going to dive back in. And I'm going to go more shoulders. I'm going to go middle part of the shoulders. We're going to go upright rows.
Just got that nice narrow grip there. Leading with the elbows.
Ooh. Soon warm up. You soon warm up, you know. Okay, that's the middle part of the shoulders hit with some upright rows on a Smith machine.
Yeah, I'm going to go with another exercise over here. I'm going to keep it on the legs. let's show you guys how to do some split squats. Right, okay. Good for the quads, good for the glutes. Almost like a lunge. Driving up the front leg.
Notice the feet spacing, guys. So around about 2 tile spacing. It's quite handy having these mats down. You can kind of work out where you need to put your feet.
Yeah, one more. Yeah, you really feel that. Yeah. Whew.
Glutes and quads.
Yeah, baby. So there we have it, guys. A very versatile piece of kit, the Smith machine. And we have demonstrated loads of exercises that you can do. That is a perfect full body workout over here. Just one piece of equipment. You might not go down as the kindest person in the gym if you're hogging this for the whole session, but you can definitely get the job done over here.
Like, comment, and subscribe. We drop these videos every week. Thursday, what time, Delman?
Thursday, 7 a.m. So breakfast time for you guys when you're eating your Frosties or your Cheerios, or hopefully oats, something more healthy.
Yeah.
Tune in, log in, and watch this.
Yeah, you can follow us, guys, and stay up to date with the latest and greatest. Yeah. Us guys over here dropping you the alpha. If you like it, bicep emoji in the comments, and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, peace. So there we have it, guys, the Smith machine. So there we have it, guys, the Smith machine. So there we have it, guys, the Smith machine, a very versatile. Fucking hell, I fucked up so many times.